Hello everyone and welcome to English with Edith. Today I'm going to teach you some new vocabularies that you can meet only in the advanced level. So if you're interested, please continue watching this video, guys. First of all, I want to differentiate these two words because when some people encounter them, they cannot differentiate their meaning. They are psychology and also physiology. Now, psychology is a science that studies your brain, your mental life. But physiology is a branch of biology that studies your body, your organisms. And the second word will be wiles. Wile means clever tricks intended to deceive someone, usually extracting money from them. For example, she used feminine wiles to capture his attention. Synonym of this word will be trickery, lure, and nonsense. And the third word will be to pay lip service. Now, to pay lip service means to say something but not doing it. For example, the government talks as if they are concerned about environment, but in fact they are just paying lip service. That's it. And the next word will be to employ. Guys, many of you know that what's the meaning of employ? To employ it means to hire someone, give someone a job. That's the first definition. And there is also second definition. That means to use. Simply means to use. For example, Leonardo da Vinci employed his spine-chilling crafts. If you're wondering about what's the meaning of craft, that means skill. Leonardo da Vinci used his spine-chilling skills for drawing. And the next word will be to startle. Have you heard about it? Maybe. To startle it means to scare someone, to frighten someone. For example, he approached quietly next to me and startled me. Don't do it, man. Have you ever thought about another alternative word for end of the world? I have. End of the world simply means doom and gloom. When you want to sympathize someone, when you want to empathy someone, you say, easy bro, it's not doom and gloom, take it easy. And the seventh word, seventh word will be get a word in Edgeways. Get a word in Edgeways, it means not able to say anything because someone else is speaking too much. For example, when Mary starts talking, no one else can get a word in Edgeways. And the next word will be thank you for reaching out to me. Thank you for reaching out to me simply means thank you for contacting me. This formal expression is used in written, business, and also correspondence. And our ninth word will be buzzword. Maybe you have heard about it before, guys, but I want to make it clear. Buzzword means a word or phrase that is fashionable at a particular time. For example, I reckon selfie is the latest buzzword. It's even in the Oxford Dictionary. And the last but not least, and my favorite one is hubba. Hubba means it's a loud noise made by a lot of people talking at the same time. For example, when you enter to the kids class, you can hear or you can see hubbub. That's it. Right, every good comes to an end. Guys, I hope you had a nice time by watching. There is a red button over there. If there is, please subscribe to this channel and also thumbs up maybe. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Have a blast.